This is a quick test of the TSTP mail auth tester. So this is a SMTP testing tool to check your credentials. Has a few things in here, quick tutorial on how to use it, and a few things regarding Microsoft, Google, Yahoo on how to make configuration changes, security changes in order to actually see it. Light mode, dark mode, has a console. I'm going to do a quick test just to watch it fail so we can see the error messages that pop up with it. And then we'll do another one with a pass. Alright, so let's just change that. And we are going to send to that email as well. And that is our success message, so that lets me know that everything was sent properly. And then I have this mailbox over here, which shows the email you get with the settings that you used in order to get that success message, so that way you have those saved for future usage. And then, in case you don't want to download the app, I have a web version that you can also use. We'll go ahead and test that out real quick too. So TSTP.xyz. We're gonna go ahead and use tester again. And yep, do that again. Do that again. All right. So you get a success message, console in case anything happens, it'll show up there, but so readout letting you know that you got a success, countdown until the window closes. You can select Microsoft, Google, Yahoo as well. Same little tutorial here, less detailed, but same thing, plus links to the documentation if you want to check it. A quick about page, feedback as well. So yeah, that is the TSTP mail auth tester that can be used at TSTP.xyz /tools/main or mail auth tester _. Yeah. All right, check it out.